Sarah loved to garden. Every day, she would put on her big sun hat and head out to her backyard. She planted flowers of all colors. She grew juicy tomatoes and crunchy carrots. Sarah's garden was her happy place. One day, Sarah saw a picture in a gardening catalog. It showed a beautiful vine with bright purple flowers. "I have to have this," she thought. Sarah ordered the vine and planted it next to the stone wall that separated her yard from her neighbors. She watered it every day and waited for it to grow. The vine grew taller and taller. It climbed the stone wall, reaching its leafy arms towards the sun. Sarah was so excited. She couldn't wait to see the beautiful purple flowers. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Sarah continued to water and care for her vine, but something wasn't quite right. There were still no flowers. Sarah checked the catalog again. She read the instructions carefully. Everything seemed to be in order. But still, no flowers bloomed on her side of the wall. She felt a little bit discouraged.
Know you've been a good friend.
Sarah continued to take care of her vine. She knew that even though she couldn't see the flowers, that didn't mean they weren't growing. Sometimes, the best things in life take time. She talked to her plants and sang them songs. Sarah believed that even though plants couldn't talk back, they could still feel her love and care, and that was important. Section 4. A Wonderful Phone Call. One sunny afternoon, Sarah's phone rang. It was her neighbor, Mrs. Rodriguez. "Hello, Sarah," she said, her voice full of cheer. "I just wanted to thank you for the beautiful flowers." Sarah was confused. "Flowers?" she asked. "What flowers?" Mrs. Rodriguez laughed softly. "The beautiful purple flowers growing on your vine," she said. "They're climbing all over my side of the wall. They're just lovely." Section 5. The Other Side of the Wall. Sarah put down the phone and rushed outside. She ran to the stone wall and peeked over the top. And there they were, the most beautiful purple flowers she had ever seen, blooming in all their glory. The vine had crept through tiny cracks in the wall. It had bloomed on the other side, bringing joy to someone Sarah couldn't even see. Sarah learned a valuable lesson that day. Sometimes our efforts may seem hidden, but that doesn't mean they aren't making a difference. Like the vine, kindness and love can find a way to blossom, even in unexpected places.